In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a draw.io diagram into Google Docs, following our full 2025 guide. This guide is tailored for those who frequently use diagrams in their documents and want to integrate them seamlessly into Google Docs. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to draw.io, now known as diagrams.net. Once you're there, you'll see the draw.io canvas open in front of you. It gives you a fresh template to start crafting your diagram. Feel free to explore its tools and features, which are fairly intuitive and user-friendly. After you've created your masterpiece, or if you have an existing diagram you wish to export, head over to the top menu bar. Click on File, then navigate to the Export As submenu. From here, choose PNG as your export format. PNGs are preferred due to their balance of quality and file size, making them great for embedding in documents. Upon selection, a dialog box will appear. Click Save to download the file to your computer. This is an essential step because you'll need this file to upload to Google Docs later. Now, it's time to upload the file to Google Drive if you wish to have it saved in the cloud. Open Google Drive in a new tab. You'll want to save your diagram in Google Drive under My Drive. Click on the directory labeled Google Root, which is typically your main drive section, and hit Save Again. Once it's saved in Google Drive, it's accessible anytime you might need to re-edit the diagram. Next, switch over to Google Docs. Open the document where you'd like to insert your diagram. From the top menu, click on Insert and then select Image. Now choose Upload from Computer. This option allows you to select the diagram PNG file you just saved. Find the file on your computer, select it, and voila, your diagram is inserted into the document. You'll see it appear right there in Google Docs, fitting seamlessly within your content. If you need to adjust its size or position, you can do so by clicking on the image and using the blue handles at its corners or edges. If you need to make any revisions to your diagram, fear not. Simply return to Google Drive, locate the file, which might be labeled as untitled diagram.drawio or under another name you've saved it as. Click on it and then open it with the draw.io app via the Open With drop down. Here you can tweak and save any changes. Once finished, you can repeat the export process and update your document with the latest version. This method ensures your diagrams are always up to date and integrated smoothly into your documents without any hassle. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you're ready to enhance your documents with clean, professional diagrams using draw.io and Google Docs. Happy diagramming!